Oh, you. There. Starting to score it. Don't like that. Okay. And this one. Yeah, that does not want to move. Yeah. Okay. What is going on here? I can scrape this. This is just a retaining surface. It doesn't really matter too much, but it's right next to the intake surface, and I don't want to mess that up. All right, I guess we will be slicing layers off. What in the world? This one spot. And of course, if I don't get this clean, this will make an intake leak. Oh. No, that's not going to do a thing. Okay. It's almost off. I'll just keep going with this, I guess. Actually, you know what I got? Be careful. Okay, it's getting there. All right, a little touch of it there. These will come out, but okay, a little there. Could maybe try cleaning that with some 100 grit, because that's just an exhaust surface. Where was that? If at 80, 2000, 220. You know, the 80's close enough. Let's just use it. That's the 400. You know, I got those 9.2 to 1 pistons for this 99. They were cheap. I wonder if I should be swapping out the ones to the 01 just to lower its compression a little bit without buying, you know, high-end Wiseco or JD pistons or something like that. Just want this thing to last forever, you know. All right, let's get some measurements now. We'll start with the face. Oh, And yeah, let's see if the valve stem seals look any different. It's like curled up. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's not gone. I kind of expected it to be destroyed, but yeah, B12 will mess up your valve stem seals eventually. I'm sure it's fine to run once through your motor to clean it out. You know, follow the directions. But yeah, if you, I guess if you get very overzealous with the B12, it will destroy them. Good to know. All right, so let's start with. There we go. Start with one face. I don't remember what my tolerance is on this. All right. Let's try an 002. Solid. All right. Whoa. Yeah, I think I'm going to call this a good head. See if I can get this to stay still. You know, what was the smallest one? 001? Yeah. That's an 0015. Yeah, I guess the smallest one in this kit is an 0015. Will light pass through that thing? I'm very happy with that. What was the other? Oh yeah, exhaust. I want to see what's going on. Ooh, that's nice on this face. Oh, does it clear? Yeah, okay. Alright, yeah, that clears everything there. Alright, let's get 015, sure, since it's already out. See this? If you want to scam somebody, what you do is you go, yep, it doesn't have the tolerance you need, but it's just because I'm pushing the straight edge. Give it, you want a good straight edge because it's got some weight. Well, that's interesting. Am I riding on something? There is a rock. Where is it? I think it's here. Yeah, I think it's right there. A high spot right there. It's barely there. I mean, I don't think that's enough to cause the exhaust leaks I'm getting, especially since that's not... I mean, I guess it could, but we got a crushed gasket. There should be a lot more take-up in it. Let me go get that exhaust manifold. Oh, hey, another washer. Yeah. Hey guys, remind me to count the washers. All right. That goes this way. All right. Set you there for now. By the way, since I had to do a custom flange here, what I did was I took some manifold studs and cut and then put flat heads in them to thread them in, because this arrangement fits my modified Dodge Turbo. And this is one of those cases of I used it because I had it, and it turned out to be a really good match for my motor. Actually, I've got a Garrett TO3 for the Altima, and I've got a Mitsubishi TE04H that's going to go into the Sentra. So same motor and different turbo for different applications. All right, so obviously, like I said, it leaks out here and it leaks out here. How straight is this? Let's see if I can get it to stay still. I would say it's not. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Let's start with an 01. I'm going to squeeze between runners 1 and 2, or whichever direction. Yeah, yeah. 02. And what's this? 024, it's probably as big as it gets. Yep, so yeah, that's the problem. It's the manifold. So, fortunately the manifold on this car is one of the last things to go on. There's a local machinist. I'm going to contact them about cutting a new surface on this. I can see it with my eye. Oh gosh, that's terrible. Yeah, that's bad. Alright, I'm going to message him now and get this out of the way.